Autohaus of Naples, and thank you so much for watching, especially on a very important vehicle of one of the most iconic classic Mercedes-Benz ever made. It's a 1987 560 SEC, and in 1987, if you drove this vehicle, you were the top dog, top notch, and definitely top of your class, because this is basically the most expensive Mercedes-Benz in which they made during these years. The 560 SEC was built from 1986 to 1991. Once again, this is a 1987, and you can see that it is proper and finished in your 040 black with a very rich Palomino leather interior. Almost looks as though nobody has ever sat in it. Built in July of 1987. As you can see right there on that VIN sticker. I have all matching numbers, and we'll show you the VIN stickers as we move through. Clearly a working sunroof. The 560 SECs are known to be those pillarless coupes. So that means when you have the A pillar, the B pillar, and the C pillar, it does not have the B pillar. And again, that makes it the pillarless coupes. And anybody who was anybody in those years drove this vehicle. This was the Rolls Royce of the late 80s and early 90s, and Mercedes-Benz did it right. And you can certainly own this vehicle and be proud of it, because no matter where you pull up, you're still recognized for driving a 560 SEC. Once again, we're gonna review or show you all of the matching stickers. This has not been a smashed up vehicle. It's been completely well maintained and taken care of. We have the 5.6 liter V8 fuel injected engine, and wow, look at it. It looks almost as if it was still back in the 1980s, and even the chrome here in the front is spectacular. It's not a 100% perfect vehicle. Obviously, it's a 1987 vehicle, which is 22 years old, but it is definitely going to be one that you would be proud of and want to keep either in your garage, or you can make it into a show car. Anybody who owns a 560 SEC is going to be proud to be the owner of it. We have a crack-free dashboard, and basically immaculate wood grain throughout, as well as, once again, that leather interior, which is just stellar. I mean, it's cashmere. When you sit in it, your body just sinks into it, and when you get out, it looks as though you never sat there. And that's what I love about their leather throughout these classic iconic vehicles. And you have your 15-inch Mercedes-Benz wheels, and again, that chrome here in the back you can see is spectacular. And we're going to show you some more VIN stickers and prove that this has been well maintained, taken care of. And it's got all the bones. It's got the bells, the whistles, the chrome, the lights, the bumpers, everything. You can see the trunk here is amazing and beautiful, and it just is exactly what you would want when you're purchasing a classic vehicle. And I'm going to take it out on a test drive and show you guys how this W126 runs. Starts right up so fantastic and fabulously. The original Becker radios, you can see right there, still works and well intact. I did mention the heated seats, the horn. So you have two levels on the horn, one for city and one for the country, and it definitely beeps as it should. And it's time for an acceleration run. Whoa!
Still got it, huh?
Wow! Once again, proper vehicle. I had mentioned already, all the bones are there, and this is one, if you were a 560 SEC fan and lover, you don't want to miss out on it, because not many were made, especially the coupes. And I'll see you on the next one. If you'd like to purchase this 1987 classic and iconic 560 SEC from Mercedes-Benz, give us a call at Autohaus of Naples, and that phone number is 239-263-8500. You may check out our full listing, details, and inventory on our website. That's at autohausnaples.com. And should this vehicle be sold, You never know, we might get another one in. So give us a call anyway, and we'll put you on the list to give you a call when we get in a 560 SEC. My name's MaryAnn. I do showcase the vehicles for you guys. I appreciate you watching and subscribing, and I will see you on the next one.